This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brenda Lavin. Charming 3-bedroom/2-bath Key West style home is located on an oversized cul-de-sac lot. New metal roof was installed in 2021 and has a 10-year transferable no-leak and workmanship warranty. Kitchen features with cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and pass-through window to the patio. Pocket sliding door opens fully onto tiled screened patio. Huge private fenced backyard. Enclosed outdoor shower for those sandy beach days. New gutters 2021, AC 2017, West/H 2015. Located east of US1 and just minutes to the beaches, shopping and dining. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Lavin at 772-530-9515.